Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I went about making the Key to Erebor. So this is the key that Gandalf gives to Thorin Oakenshield in the Hobbit movies, and they use it to get inside the Lonely Mountain past Smaug to try and take back their city. So pretty pivotal part of the series, and it's a really cool looking key. So to do this one, I first started off with 3D printing. I got the models from Thingiverse. I'll put a link to them down below. Really great model. It's split in two pieces down the center, so it makes it much easier to print both sides, and then you can glue them together. So I printed these on my FDM printer, printed these in filament because I haven't used that filament printer in a while, and I thought it would be a nice little project for that. Once those was finished in the print bed, pull them off, and then it was time to start cleaning them up. Prints fresh off the printer, so now it's time to clean up all the extra support stuff. So this really should just be able to break away like that. If you need to, just get in there with a knife and clean it up better. But I'm going to go ahead and remove it all now, and then we'll glue the parts together. Now it's time to glue them together. So best thing to glue together 3D prints is just your regular super glue. So what I'm going to do is just coat the inside, put them together, clamp them together, and let them sit for a while. So I can pull this apart now. So I've got a little bit of a ridge around the outside of the perimeter, but I'm just going to go with my X-Acto knife and a bit of sandpaper now and just clean all that up. So it's time to start painting this. I'm going to start with a grey primer and then a gloss black over the top of that, and then probably silver on top of that. So let's go and get painting. Silver paint's down, looks really good, but it's time to weather this a bit. So the things that I need are my paints, a couple paint brushes. I'm gonna start with the black coat. So really simple to do. Also need a fair bit of extra paper towel. Water down some black paint. You don't want to water it down too much, but then just go over the whole thing, and then we'll go back and wipe it off with the paper towel, and it'll give a really nice effect. So we're just going to let that dry first, and then we'll come back and do the highlights. Alright, so time to do the highlights. So I've got my Tamiya Chrome Silver here. Really good paint for this kind of thing. Oops. I have it all over my hands now, but I also have my dry brush here. So I always like to use a dry brush for this part because it allows for really fine application of the highlights. So you essentially just go over the whole thing and add artificial scratches. And just like that, the painting's done. So it's the combination of the base color that you have. So in my case, I used silver spray paint. Then you have the dark low lights, or whatever they're called, which is the black paint going in, and then the highlights, which is this chrome silver going on top. The combination of those three colors is what makes things look like metal. So in photos, you're not going to be able to tell that this isn't metal. It looks, yeah, just amazing. So that the combination of those three colors really makes it stand out and makes it look real. And there we have it, guys, the Key to Erebor, or the Lonely Mountain, secret hidden passageway into the Lonely Mountain that Thorin and the gang used to get in to get their treasure back from Smaug. Great little key, really happy with this piece. It'll make a nice little piece for the background of my display shots. So yeah, there it is. Hope you enjoyed. Check out my other build videos, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thanks. See you later.